This is Jack Stewart with my SPO504 community-based healthy eating PowerPoint. The importance of healthy eating. Every human should eat healthy no matter what age. This is because it leads to a much healthier and positive lifestyle. Healthy eating is especially crucial for children and young adults of the ages from 12 to 16. This is because the body is still growing. Healthy eating is the most important environmental factor that can affect the height difference that you grow to. Healthy eating can also allow you to stay healthy, keep your body from getting ill, and also to help you grow bigger and stronger. The three segments that will be discussed in this PowerPoint are: number 1, metabolism in the body. Metabolism is how the body breaks down food to use it for energy. Number 2, principles of nutrition, key guidelines, collecting information, meal planning, and nutrition for healthy eating. This involves all aspects of nutrition. And number 3, the importance of healthy eating. This is key to a healthy lifestyle. If not, it could lead to medical problems such as obesity. The first part of the PowerPoint is metabolism. Metabolism is the process of breaking down food and liquids that the body takes in. This is then reproduced into the body as energy. The energy can be used during exercise or during day-to-day activities. As well as regular people, elite athletes such as Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo will need metabolism to keep playing at their very best. But because they are elite athletes, their metabolism will be a lot higher because they do more exercise. Metabolism as a whole can be split into two separate segments. The first one is catabolism, and also the second one is anabolism, which will both be spoken about now. The first part to discuss about metabolism is catabolism. It is one half of metabolism, which breaks down larger food and liquid molecules. The reason this happens is because the smaller molecules are then made into energy. The energy is then used by the body to give to the working muscles. The smaller molecules are also oxidized, which are then used in anabolism. Anabolism helps build molecules up, which is the opposite to catabolism. But with catabolism, the energy is then stored as ATP in the body. ATP, also known as adenosine triphosphate. ATP is used for a source which gives fuel to the body. Every cell in the human body needs ATP to give them energy. It can be released instantly into the system and cells, however it can only last from between 3 and 5 seconds. ATP is made up of 4 sources. They are glycolysis, beta oxidation, aerobic respiration, and oxidative phosphorylation. All 4 of these will be explained. Glycolysis is an anaerobic catabolism which turns glucose into 2 molecules of ATP and the other 2 into pyruvic acid. Beta oxidation converts lipids into energy for ATP. Aerobic respiration combines oxygen and glucose to create 3 components of ATP. And oxidative phosphorylation detaches electrons from chemicals, and this creates the most ATP, adding 26 to the final 30 of the molecules. Anabolism works to the opposite of the other component of metabolism, which is catabolism. As previously mentioned, anabolism works by building up molecules to make them larger. The body needs both small and large compounds and molecules to maintain healthy. Anabolism is used in different ways to catabolism. Instead of producing energy, it can do other things, such as speeding up the time of a muscular injury. Footballer Gareth Bale, who struggles with muscular injuries, is held back to full fitness quicker because of the speed of his anabolism. As well as healing muscular injuries, it can also heal cuts quicker and allow children to grow at a quicker rate, all because they have a higher rate of anabolism. Healthy eating can lead to a big positive effect on a healthy lifestyle. Some factors to help stick to healthy eating could be eating a well-balanced breakfast to start the day. Doing this can set out the metabolism correctly for the rest of the day. Eating more smaller meals. This could benefit the metabolism system as it does not have to digest as much food into molecules. Exercise regularly. This will help to feel more energized and to release endorphins. To keep hydrated, this can stop the body shutting down, and to maintain a balanced diet so the body gets enough of all nutrients. Key guidelines. The guidelines stated will help to achieve a healthy lifestyle. Drinking half of your body weight in water every day. Water is important because of previously mentioned stopping dehydration, and also water is needed to transport nutrients to each cell in the body. Another guideline is to maintain a balanced diet which consists of varied food groups. Some food groups that make up a balanced diet are fresh fruit such as apples and bananas, fresh vegetables such as carrots and broccoli, whole grain such as whole grain bread and bagels, legumes such as kidney beans and lentils, nuts, and lean proteins such as cod and turkey. To maintain a healthy lifestyle, the food information should be checked to see if it lines up with a balanced diet before purchasing. On the packaging of the food, the information should be displayed in 4 categories: fat, salt, sugar, and saturates. The indicators are color-coded to easily identify. Green for a lower number of the substance and usually means a healthier amount. The orange can be seen as more than recommended, and the red is much more than recommended than a healthy amount. The guidelines can also be cut into half servings or less to make it look more healthy. Meal planning. Meal planning is an important component to keeping up a healthy lifestyle. It can help improve nutrition as it can help you plan to make sure the body gets enough of every nutrient needed. Meal planning impacts the amount of high quality foods consumed. This is because you can plan which foods are better for a healthy lifestyle instead of consuming unknown food products. Meal planning can also be used to plan when to exercise and also how long for and what type of exercise to do. Nutrition for healthy eating. The body uses nutrition in a way to break up foods that have been consumed to turn them into molecules and nutrients, which is used constantly in the body, whether it is for energy or to keep the other cells working correctly. There are 2 main compounds to nutrition: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients. The first component is macronutrients. Macronutrients have 3 main healthy types of food: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Macronutrients is used for energy and is a big part of it. The second component is micronutrients. They are required by the body in much smaller quantities. They can be found in minerals which are also needed by the body. Minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Segment 3. The importance of healthy eating. Healthy eating is a key factor to a healthy lifestyle. It requires a combination of a well-balanced diet and physical activity. Eating healthy includes consuming high-quality proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. RMR and BMR. RMR stands for resting metabolic rate. It is how many calories are burned while the body is in a resting state. Healthy eating can help with this as it controls how many calories are put into the body, therefore controls how many is burned. BMR stands for basal metabolic rate. BMR is the execution of the metabolic rate of when the body is resting and has not eaten for 12 hours. To find out your BMR, use the calculations below.